Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the perfect nude nails. So have you ever seen like TV commercials or like people's nails on TV and they're just so like almost, they're so perfectly manicured and you just like want to have that, so you just try like a sheer pink and sometimes it just doesn't look right. So I have come up with like the perfect kind of mannequin hands. Excuse my attire, I'm cold, so I had to put a weird sweater on top of my shirt. So I'm going to show you how to do that. At the end of all of me talking, there will be a short little clip of me actually doing it, and I will tell you right now how I did it. So the first thing that I used is the Revlon Sheer Translucid line, and it's just kind of this like pinky nude. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it, like a shift. It's very subtle and you can barely see it when it's on your nails, but it looks really good. So I applied one coat of this on my right hand, and then on this hand I applied 2 coats. This hand I did not do on camera because it just looks like everything's all just us. All my nails are all weird and misshapen and different lengths, but it's just darker. And then this one I did 1 coat of the sheer tone. So the next thing that I apply is this sheer pink from LA Colors, and it's called Memoir, and I applied 2 coats. So on this hand I applied 2 coats of this along with on top of the already 2 coats, and then this on this hand I applied 2 coats, but with the Revlon one I applied 1. So there's 3 coats on this hand and 4 on this hand. For my base I use the Pro FX sticky base. I just like it. So pretty much I like this one because it kind of tones this one down. It kind of adds more pink to it. If you can tell, my hands are almost like blending, my nails are almost blending into my hands. This is the second time I've worn this in a row. Took it off, put it back on. So that is what this looks like. It's actually something that I like to wear when I'm not really feeling color. I'm just kind of really interested in just having naked nails, but I can't actually go naked because I just don't like that. So I like to just do this. So it kind of is like I have polish on, but it's like I'm not wearing polish. So these sweaters don't match at all. It's kind of terrible, but what are you gonna do when you're freezing? So without further ado, the little short clip will be on after this, and thanks guys for watching. This was a short video and it was fun to make. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.